Hello, this is Ian and Ben with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40T-DN Countdown Timer with a barcode scanner. So this is going out to JC Arc Tech, and this is going to be our new unit that has the hours and minutes display. We usually have minutes and seconds, but in this case we have the hours and minutes section for display. So I'm going to have Ben take over and showcase the functions of this unit, and then I'm going to take over afterwards and quickly go over the hardware aspect of the model.
Thanks, Ian. Okay, this unit, in addition to being hours and minutes, it has a Andon light that lights green and red. It counts down and then it counts up in overtime. To start a timer, you simply scan one of the barcodes. So this is a barcode for 3 hours. We'll skip that one as it's too long. We'll go with this one. This is an hour and 2 minutes. And so that'll put an hour and 2 minutes on there. And we'll start the countdown timer. Counting down, actually we'll go to a shorter one here. Here's one with 1 minute. So you can see you can start the timer at any time. It counts down from the set value. As it approaches 0, it will turn red and start flashing and counting up in overtime. We'll wait for it to do that. The time is a simple protocol, and we print these barcodes here at our office. We can print any time in minutes and seconds using a simple minute ASCII protocol. And I'll show you one of the other barcodes. There's a special barcode that stops the timer as well and sets it back to 0. So we'll just wait about 5 more seconds, and then it'll count into the negative. So when it gets into the negative, the display flashes as well as the Andon light, indicating to the entire plant floor that this process has gone over time and needs attention. And you can stop it. You can scan another barcode to start another time. It does shift over in the final hour to minutes and seconds. It will show hours and minutes for as long as it has hours. Then for the final hour, it will show minutes and seconds. And you can stop it at any time by scanning the stop timer button, stop timer barcode, and that'll set it to 0 and extinguish the Andon light altogether.
Okay, so quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model. As you can see, it is a tough extruded aluminum enclosure that is black powder coated that makes it fingerprint and dust resistant. Its display size is 4 inches, and it has 4 digits that can display both the hours and the minutes. That's one of the key features of this new unit. It's powered by a 12-volt adapter, and at the bottom of the enclosure we have our barcodes. We can print as many as the client wants, and it comes in many different kinds. We have our 1 minute barcode, we have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, and we also have a stop timer that we use the scanner to make the countdown timer stop the countdown. And we also have our barcode scanner, and this is what is used to scan the barcodes and regulate the countdown timer.
It also has a 25-foot cable extension from the case to the barcode scanner, which has its own power supply.
So again, this is Ian and Ben with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-DN countdown timer with a barcode scanner and can display the hours and minutes. Thanks for watching.